I think I know what this row represents. It represents a bird's head as well as a bird's neck. The bird's neck is here. It's this berry, this one, and then these two and this one. We're looking at the left side of the bird's head and neck. And then the bird's head starts from these same berries and it goes all the way up. This is the top part of the bird's head. This berry, this one, and these two. This is the front part of the bird's face. This is the bird's eyeball, and all of these berries and bits make up the eye area. This berry and these two connect to these two to make the bird's beak. And so, yeah.